Your review monitor dropped 10% of weekly reviews, and you don't know why. Trustpilot still serves the page. The collector still returns 200 OK. But 10% of reviews are quietly missing. Selective visibility. The platform decided you don't get to see all of them anymore. Review monitoring gets treated like a basic scraping problem, right up until coverage quietly collapses. The platform still render pages, but location context shifts, review pagination breaks, or whole clusters of user-generated content disappear because the session no longer looks like an ordinary user. Google Maps, Trustpilot, G2 Capterra, Yelp, TripAdvisor all monetize trust, so they spend real effort defending review surfaces from mass extraction. Three things ahead: the selective visibility defense that's the real 2026 problem, the continuous monitoring architecture that survives, and a Trustpilot probe through SMP sticky sessions. No, I thought. Selective visibility, not just blocks. Though obvious defenses are rate limits and blocks, the more common 2026 defense is selective visibility. The platform may still respond, but it gives you less than what a real user in the target market sees. Open cloud of store practitioners, VETSI practitioners, and fraud analysts. If your job is to monitor removals, sentiment shifts, category competitors, fake review bursts, or local listing reputation, incomplete access creates false conclusions. Missing 10% of reviews is not a small error if those 10% are the recent negatives or the market-specific comments you were looking for. Mobile proxies help because these review products are consumer products first. A session from a real mobile IP with a believable Android fingerprint and market-appropriate language is more likely to get the consumer-facing experience. For platform differences that matter, Google Maps is the hardest to simplify because listing surfaces vary by place type, account state, and map interaction path. Trustpilot is friendlier to structured review collection, but profile-level pacing and anti-abuse checks still matter. G2 and Capterra are valuable for B2B buying intelligence, where category pages and vendor profiles combine static content with dynamic review widgets. But Harry TripAdvisor remain highly sensitive to scraping patterns and location mismatch. The operational lesson: do not build one collector and point it at all review platforms. The session model, pagination logic, and replay tolerance differ enough that a shared abstraction should sit above platform-specific fetches, not replace them. The continuous monitoring architectures treat review scraping as continuous monitoring, not episodic bulk export. Turn in, seed entities carefully. One normalized place, product, or vendor record per target. Poll at a cadence matched to platform behavior. More frequent for fast-moving local listings, less frequent for slow B2B software profiles. Use sticky sessions when walking review pagination or map-driven UI flows, because those sequences often degrade when the IP changes midstream. Store raw HTML or JSON snapshots alongside past output, so you can prove whether a missing review was removed by the platform or missed by your collector. Alert on coverage anomalies, not just sentiment anomalies. A sudden drop in collected review count often means access changed. This pattern is less glamorous than scrape all reviews now, but it produces a dataset you can defend. For fraud analysts and agencies, defensibility matters more than raw volume. Should pair platform defense responses. Google Maps defense is map interaction gating, account context, local relevance. Response is sticky mobile browser sessions with careful map state control. Trustpilot defense is profile rate checks and structured pagination scrutiny. Response is paste polling and stable referrers. G2 defense is dynamic widgets and vendor page sequencing. Response is enrichment pass after category discovery. Targeted defense is category navigation and review widget loading. Response is browser automation with mobile consistent headers. Review defense is location mismatch and anti-scraping controls. Response is local market sessions and low burst rates. TripAdvisor defense is pagination friction and content access variance. Response is smaller batches, stronger QA, and replay checks. None of these platforms are impossible. They are just expensive to scrape badly. A working Trustpilot probe. The example below is intentionally simple. The kind of probe you run before scaling a collector to confirm a SG mobile session is seeing the expected locale and response path. A legit know why? In a real pipeline, you would add retries, fingerprint control, and platform-specific passing. The point is to verify access quality, not just response code. A 200 with degraded content is still a collection failure. Debris spelled when bring monitoring tends to be steady-state traffic, not giant one-day bursts. A 300 GB or 500 GB monthly plan is often enough for a focused monitoring estate. 1 TB and 2 TB tiers make sense for agencies watching many entities. The value is predictable cost and Singapore local fidelity, not theoretical worldwide scale. SMP gives you SG mobile egress through Android devices. Pricing that matches ongoing monitoring rather than enterprise proxy theater. Mobile proxies do not solve weak entity normalization, bad change detection, or legal overreach. If your monitoring team cannot reconcile duplicate business profiles or cannot tell new reviews from reordered reviews, the proxy layer is not the bottleneck. Likewise, a mobile proxy does not convert prohibited use into permitted use. Serious teams document purpose, access scope, and retention policy from day one. For Singapore-focused review monitoring, Singapore Mobile Proxy is the sensible fit. Real SG Mobile Ogress through real Android devices. Pricing that fits ongoing monitoring. 2-hour free trial. No card required. Use code YT30 for 30% off your first paid month. Probe Trustpilot or Google Maps from a real SG mobile session and compare coverage to your current pool. Next video covers the full mobile proxy toolkit for affiliate marketers. Offer QA, account isolation, post-pack verification. Subscribe.